Para naman kay Department of the Interior and Local Government Undersecretary Marlo Iringan, katulad ng pahayag ng United Nations, walang matatawag na natural disasters, kundi mga natural hazard. Sinabi pa ni Yusek Iringan, maaaring makakilos sa mga bansa at makagawa ng tinatawag na deliberate actions at mabawasan ang man-made at natural hazards. Sa tinatawag naman na safety plans, mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng special protection para sa vulnerable population para mapatibay ang mga struktura. Sinabi pa ni Iringan na ang DILG ay patuloy na nakakommit sa pagpapalakas ng disaster preparedness at resilience. Kabilang na ang paghahanda laban sa sakuna tulad ng Operation Listo na may 8 disaster manual sa iba't ibang kalamidad tulad ng lindol.
According to the United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, there are no natural disasters. No, let us take note of this. There are no natural disasters, only natural hazards. The agency says that using the term natural disaster implies a refusal to accept responsibility for the damage and destruction. It also forwards the idea that countries can undertake deliberate actions and reduce risk from both man-made and natural hazards only by implementing safety plans, providing special protection for the vulnerable population, and fortifying structures, among other measures. It asserts that failing to do these things is what truly causes disasters. During the last leg of the 2023 Handa Pilipinas, President Ferdinand Marcos emphasized, and I quote, "Collaboration amongst national government agencies, communities, is the key to effective and successful disaster risk reduction and management," unquote. At the DILG, we remain committed to helping the government's efforts to enhance earthquake preparedness and resilience.
Nanawagan naman si DSWD Undersecretary Diana Rose Cahipe sa bawat Pilipino na huwag magsawa at mapagod sa paghahanda at pakikipagtulungan para masiguro ang kaligtasan ng lahat oras na tumama ang malalakas na lindol saan mang panig ng bansa.
This summit is more than just a gathering. It is a call to action, and it could not have come at a more crucial time. Just recently, we have seen strong earthquakes hit our neighboring countries. The damage, the loss, the fear, and the devastating aftermath are truly heartbreaking. It reminds us that time and again, quakes as strong as those can strike us anytime in a blink of an eye. When I speak here as Undersecretary, I'm also a mother, I'm also a wife, I'm also a daughter of my father, na if something happens, hindi ko po kasi maiisip ang trabaho ko muna bilang Undersecretary, hahanapin ko yung mga anak ko. Hahanapin ko yung asawa ko, tatanungin ko yung magulang ko buhay. That is, if I am alive. Katulad po ng laging binabanggit ni Yusek Ariel sa atin, huwag nating sasayangin yung oras when we are given the chance to make this, not only because it's needed by the Filipino people, but more so because this one is needed by our very own families, our loved ones.